A record number of research projects were on display at this year's poster event. Students from 14 schools across the university spent 10 weeks working on a wide variety of projects, looking at arts, science, health and business.
I mean, there's a lot of hard work that goes into preparing this event, to setting up the projects, and that's all kind of unglamorous work. But this is really where it all comes together, where I can get to meet the students, get to see the research, get to see how excited students are just to be doing the projects, to be helping, being part of UCLan's research community, helping to discover new things. Well, it's now part of the UCLan advantage that all undergraduate students will have an opportunity to do undergraduate research as part of their degree. And one of the things that we've done to help move that forward is to set up a UCLan Undergraduate Research Society.
Any sort of meaningful research-related activity, they can apply to the society for funding or partial funding to help them in doing that. And then secondly, we're running this discussion group, which is going to be a drop-in session every week for people to come and discuss their ideas relating to research. And it's nice to get a perspective from different people, ask people questions and maybe get a perspective from the different disciplines and things like that.
Since last year I have undertaken a master's degree, which I have just recently completed, and I've also just started my PhD degree as well here at UCLan.
But when we select winners, let's regard them as being, embodiments of everyone's success, because this is all extremely good. I'm really delighted that this work is going on.
Presenting the prizes for the best poster presentations was the Vice-Chancellor of UCLan, Dr. McVicar.
I tried to make it as approachable as possible for people who weren't from a scientific background. So I think it was easy for people to just have a brief skim and get the gist of what I'd done. I'm just going to take all the skills and the experiences I've got on board and try and put them all into my last year of studies and for the rest of my career, really.
I was actually on the panel of judges, and the competition is amazing. It's really stiff competition again this year. There are a lot of very good posters here, and I'm very impressed with the quality.
In the last research assessment exercise, we had 11 areas declared outstanding on a world scale. And we're trying to promote information about that to our undergraduates to make them realise that UCLan is a good place to do research.
Last year's was an outstanding event. This has been even better. The quality of the research has been absolutely top-notch. This is work that can stand alongside the very best postgraduate work that is being published in academic journals. And I think what it demonstrates, what we've always learned from this, is that undergraduates, when taken outside of the structures of their curriculum, there's no end to the possibilities of what they can achieve when given the opportunity to.
Students looking for information on taking part in next year's Undergraduate Research Internship Scheme should visit www.uclan.ac.uk/interns.